Ever notice how long you can sit at your desk before your buddies start filing a complaint? So today, instead of rolling out the mat, we're just gonna push away from the desk, make sure you have a sturdy chair here, and we're not changing clothes, we're not doing any of that. We're just gonna move the chair. We need that little reset. So let's inhale the shoulder up and back. Nice little shoulder circle like that. And if you want, you can start involving the arms. Anything that don't feel right for you, you skip or use the modification. Nice, little more movement. All mindful. Pretend you're in the water. It's the best description I can give. Like pretend there's a little resistance. And other side. So shoulder up and forward. Let's start with just the shoulder. Involving the elbows, the arm, and leading a little more forward. I can hear all the crunch from my old bones here. Woo, nice. Little hug to start with a little baby side to side, maybe a little, just loosening up the hips here. Other side, nice little hug. Little baby twist, little side to side, rock yourself. You are just here, and that's the hardest part, is just showing up, right? Once you're there, the rest just keeps on moving. So let's extend our arms up and down. Up maybe just a little bit, it's whatever up is to you, and down. Add the breath to this. When you inhale, bring them up. Just stay there for a while, keep breathing in between, and on your exhale, come down. Ooh, nice. Tummy is tight. We're gonna do a mountain pose while sitting. So walk your leg. The same thing than when you're standing up. Big toe in just a little bit, ankle under the knees. Sit tall, tummy in. I'm sometimes mine just like over spill. And that's like, ooh. Let's tuck that in. It's an exercise in itself here. So let's do a little bicep curl. Oh, just a little bicep curl here. Just a little bicep. You don't need any weight. Just use your hand and pretend again you're in that water and firm, resist. Next time you curl, stay there. We're gonna exhale with a push and down. Inhale, nice curl. Exhale, gentle push. Ooh. Inhale, curl. Exhale, push. She's not talking, this is rare. Just letting you absorb what I just said. Oh my goodness. How about a nice seated cats and cow? Bring your bum a little closer to the edge of your chair. Fix your feet here. Maybe you want to hold the back of the chair or the sides. You've got arms here. Elbows are back, so open the chest. So bring the elbow, draw the elbow ones towards the other. Oh, neck is super relaxed here. When you're ready, exhale all the air out. So bring your shoulder closer to your leg. Belly button goes like through your spine and the back of the chair. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Make sure everything feels fine. And on an inhale, inflate your belly. Now this is time we're no longer tuck it in. And we even like push it forward. So exhale. Inhale. Exhale into your cat. Inhale. So if you notice when I exhale, I bring my elbows forward. I inhale, I move them back. So go with your own breath. I keep looking there. I've got an extra cam open for Patreon. Hi. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh. Inhale tall. Nice little reset. Maybe the arm wants to come up. Exhale, we'll turn the hip to the side. Then the shoulder, you know the drill by now. Nose towards the wall. And when you're ready, just unwind. Other side, inhale up, exhale. Keep breathing if you want to stay a little bit. Come back. Little sideway now. I'm gonna hold to the bottom of my chair. Push in your foot. Push the direction you're going with your foot. Nice little side bend. And other side. Oh, nice little side bend. And let's flow this. Let's make a nice little flow. Exhale everything down. Inhale up. Exhale, forward fold. And forward fold can be that if that's what you want. Maybe your chest is on your lap. Maybe you want to make some room here and just go touch the floor. Neck is always super relaxed. That's so important. This is when you look at your manicures and pedicure and it's like, I could have done a better job. And push. But it looks fine. It looks fine. Yeah, it looks fine. Oh my goodness. One more hug, right? One more hug. So each time you're at your desk and you need a little break, but you can't leave the chair for some reason, just push away. A few organic movements like that feels so much better. And if you would like to continue the course, just click here with the links gonna appear if it's not already there. And I will be there waiting for you. And until then, you have a wonderful rest of the day and namaste.